Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natsy B. Please stay tuned to see how I completed these wavy faux locks. The hair that I installed was an 18-inch wavy faux locks ombre hair. The first thing that I did was to braid my hair. I had a total of 70 plaits. You can decide if you want less or more. I had to extend the back of my hair with some braiding hair simply because it was a bit short. Hence the method which I used for the back was basically to plait the braiding hair on my hair, and then I would have inserted it through the loop of the crochet hair and wrap from top to bottom. As I got to the longer sections, I basically warped through my hair through the root, and then I would have attached the braiding hair through the loop of the crochet hair, pull it through the root, and then I would have wrapped from the root to the point where my hair stops. This method was used until the hair was completed. Oh, by the way guys, don't forget to like up the video, subscribe and share. I'm trying to raise those numbers. Thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate my subscribers and the ones who took the time out to view my videos.